Join me as I dive into the secret investment strategies of the richest people and see if I can replicate their success with just a small budget. When it comes to building wealth, there's no denying that the richest people in the world have mastered the game. From billionaires like Warren Buffett to entrepreneurs like Richard Branson, these individuals have cracked the code on generating wealth that lasts. And I believe that by learning from their investment strategies, we can all improve our financial futures. That's what this video is all about, uncovering the secrets of the rich and sharing them with you. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that it's only for the wealthy. This belief stems from the idea that you need a significant amount of capital to make any meaningful returns. However, this couldn't be further from the truth. We often think that you need a lot of money to start investing, or that it's just for Wall Street insiders. The image of investing is often associated with men in suits, bustling around the financial district, making high-stakes decisions. This portrayal can be intimidating and misleading, but the truth is, anyone can start investing, regardless of their income level. With the advent of technology, investment opportunities have become more accessible than ever. Today there are numerous apps and online platforms that allow you to start investing with just a few dollars. Another misconception is that investing is only about making quick returns, getting rich fast. This myth is perpetuated by stories of people striking it rich overnight with a lucky stock pick or a timely investment in a booming market. But in reality, investing is a long-term game that requires patience, discipline, and a solid strategy. Just like a tree takes time to grow, so does your investment portfolio. The most successful investors are those who think long-term and stick to their strategy, even during market downturns. Many of us also mistakenly believe that investing is complicated, that you need a PhD in finance to understand the markets. The financial jargon and complex charts can indeed be overwhelming, but investing doesn't have to be rocket science. But the richest people in the world didn't get there by being experts in finance. They got there by being smart about their money and making smart investment decisions. They focused on learning the basics, understanding the risks, and making informed choices. And that's something that anyone can learn, regardless of their background or education. Financial literacy is a skill that can be developed over time. There are countless resources available, from books and online courses to workshops and seminars, that can help you become a more confident investor. Finally, many people think that investing is only about individual stocks, bonds, or funds. This narrow view limits the potential of your investment strategy and exposes you to higher risks. But the richest people in the world often diversify their portfolios across multiple asset classes, from real estate to private equity and even cryptocurrency. Diversification helps spread risk and can lead to more stable returns over time. By exploring different types of investments, you can find opportunities that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's important to remember that investing is a personal journey. What works for one person might not work for another. The key is to educate yourself, understand your financial situation, and develop a strategy that suits your needs. Don't be afraid to seek advice from financial advisors or use tools that can help you make informed decisions. In conclusion, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's not about getting rich quick, it's not overly complicated, and it's not limited to just stocks and bonds. By debunking these common misconceptions, we can open the door to a more inclusive and accessible world of investing. So, take the first step, start small, and remember that the journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. So, what are the investment strategies that the richest people use to generate wealth? How do they manage to not only preserve their wealth but also grow it exponentially over time? Let's delve into some of the key strategies that have been instrumental in their financial success. Well, one of the most important is diversification. Diversification is the practice of spreading investments across various financial instruments, industries, and other categories to reduce exposure to any single asset or risk. This strategy helps in balancing the risk and reward in an investment portfolio. The richest people don't put all their eggs in one basket. They spread their wealth across multiple asset classes, reducing their risk and increasing their potential returns. This means investing in stocks, bonds, real estate, and even alternative investments like private equity or hedge funds. By doing so, they ensure that a downturn in one market doesn't drastically affect their overall financial health. Another key strategy is real estate investing. Real estate has always been a cornerstone of wealth building for the rich. It provides a tangible asset that can appreciate over time and generate passive income through rentals. From rental properties to real estate investment trusts, the richest people in the world have made fortunes investing in property. They understand the value of owning physical assets that can provide steady cash flow and appreciate in value over the long term. Real estate also offers tax advantages and can act as a hedge against inflation. Long-term thinking is also crucial. The wealthy are known for their patience and foresight. They invest with a long-term horizon, understanding that true wealth is built over decades, not overnight. The richest people in the world didn't get there overnight. They've made smart investment decisions over decades, patiently waiting for their wealth to grow. They focus on the bigger picture and are not swayed by short-term market fluctuations. This long-term approach allows them to ride out market volatility and capitalize on growth opportunities. And finally, they're often contrarian investors, willing to take unconventional positions when the market is fearful. Contrarian investing involves going against the prevailing market trends and sentiments. The rich often buy undervalued assets when others are selling in panic, and sell overvalued assets when others are buying in euphoria. This bold approach can lead to significant gains when the market corrects itself. Networking and continuous learning also play a vital role. The wealthy surround themselves with other successful individuals, constantly exchanging ideas and staying informed about the latest market trends and opportunities. They invest in their education, attending seminars, reading extensively, and seeking advice from financial experts. In conclusion, the investment strategies of the rich are multifaceted and well thought out. Diversification, real estate investing, long-term thinking, contrarian investing, and continuous learning are some of the key elements that contribute to their financial success. By adopting these strategies, anyone can work towards building and growing their wealth over time. But there's one secret strategy that the richest people use to supercharge their wealth, and that's the power of tax optimization. You see, taxes can eat into your investment returns, but the richest people in the world know how to minimize their tax burden, using clever strategies like tax loss harvesting and charitable donations. By implementing these strategies, you can keep more of your hard-earned wealth and grow your investments even faster. By adopting these investment strategies, you can start building wealth like the richest people in the world. These strategies are not just for the elite. They are accessible to anyone willing to put in the time and effort to learn and apply them. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, the key is to stay informed and proactive. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick. It's about making smart investment decisions that will compound over time. The journey to financial independence is a marathon, not a sprint. By focusing on long-term goals and making informed choices, you can build a solid financial foundation that will serve you well into the future. So don't be discouraged if you're not seeing returns right away. Stay the course, be patient, and keep educating yourself about the world of investing. Continuous learning is crucial. The financial landscape is always evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and strategies can give you a significant edge. Attend seminars, read books, and follow reputable financial advisors to keep your knowledge fresh and relevant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.